Piny owacho olando tiyo kod lop ute twech ma ok ti godo e gero udi ma bechgi yot. Kokalo migawo mar lope kod udi giwacho ni lopego biro konyo e gero udi maromo 200,000 higa ka higa. Lope machiel ma geto gin mago mag Agricultural Society of Kenya manigi eka modhuro mosebedo koling kuom higni buora. Magi wuok e kinde ma migawo no pingo kang' mar goyo osuru lope moling ma ok ti godo e pacho ka. Jagoro mong'ere e migawo mar udi Charles Hinga wacho ni bei mamalo mar lope e pacho ka emosekelo songa e gero udi ma bechgi yot. Nyaka sani counties ochiko osegolo lope minyalo gere udi 55,000.
Nairobi West. You go to every major town, Shimolatewa, Thika town, Roiro, the prisons are inside. Kilifi. Nakuru. And you know they sit on a lot of land. In Kitale, it is basically a glut because that town cannot grow as long as that prison is there. So, and we have not built a prison since independence. So I think, honorable members, it is high time we start building prisons and we move criminals far away from the urban areas. And I'm not saying that in any derogatory way, but we need to free up these areas so that we can be able to do human settlement activities.
And we have tasked them to give us a report on what they are planning to do, because we cannot continue losing lives. And then when you ask them, they blame the contractor. After you blame the contractor, you blame the engineer. Then the engineer, when you ask the engineer, you blame the fundi. I mean, any building that collapses in any area, that engineer who was overseeing that project should have their license cancelled.
Should not allow any form of corruption of approvals for houses which are not qualified to be built without proper